In order to make about 10 to 15% annually without doing virtually anything, invest in the S&P 500 index. And if you trade this index a bit actively, you can easily make up to 30% returns per year. In this episode, we will explore exactly which buy signals to use for this and also cover why this is such an invaluable and timeless investment strategy. At the biggest financial institutions of Wall Street, this best investment strategy of all times has a code name, the Buy America trade. And what this basically means is to buy and to keep buying the S&P 500 index. In order to determine the precise buy signal, go to your trading software and load the 5-year weekly chart for the symbol SPY. SPY is an exchange traded fund which closely tracks the S&P 500 and is very liquid. Now use the built-in features from your trading software to plot the 40-week exponential moving average and the 8-week. The resulting lines you will see will be similar to what is shown on the screen. On the screen, the blue line represents the 40-week EMA, whereas the orange line represents the 8-week EMA. In order to learn more about how moving averages work and what kind of trading signals they provide, go through the episode mentioned in the pinned comment. Since this index mostly climbs, the 8-week EMA typically stays above the 40-week EMA. Note down the distance between these two EMAs. Let's call this distance D1. Now wait until the 8-week EMA line crosses below the 40-week EMA. Once it dips below the 40-week EMA by a distance equal to D1, this is your buy entry signal. Once this signal is triggered, you can buy as much as you want. This signal has appeared at various points in time over the past many years. Following this signal, each time the index moved many percentage points higher and made new all-time highs. Note that this is an optimization. Given the behavior of the S&P 500 index, you can buy at pretty much any point in time, especially whenever the 8-week EMA comes in close vicinity of the 40-week EMA. The primary reason for this consistent outstanding performance of the S&P 500 index is that the United States, being a superpower, exerts great control over the matters of the whole globe. And most of the policies that the US makes and implements are geared towards ensuring that US businesses and companies, including defense companies like the RTX Corporation, Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and mega tech companies like Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, Facebook stay on top of the business world. That means constant and unabashed growth for the US companies, which directly translates into larger profits and hence ever rising stock prices. Investors can safely keep buying and hold on to the S&P 500 positions as long as there is no clear and present danger that the United States is about to collapse or about to lose its position as the world leader. And so far, frankly, there are no signs of that. Beyond that, if an investor wants to take profit for personal reasons, a good point in time to take profits is when the 8-week EMA rises well above the 40-week EMA. As a shrewd investor, you should always allocate some portion of your trading capital to buy the S&P 500. That's because going back many decades, the S&P 500 index has returned on average 10% annually, which is well above inflation and also well above the US Treasury yields. In the best years like 2003 following the dot-com crash, the S&P 500 returned 29%. Similarly, in 2021 and 2023 after COVID-19, the index returned 28% and 26% respectively. One thing which sets the S&P 500 apart from many other funds is its ability to recover from various economic shocks. Whether it be COVID-19, Trump tariffs, Silicon Valley bank collapse, the S&P 500 not only recovers, but goes on to make new all-time highs all the time. And that makes the US the raging trading bull of all times. In the beginning, I mentioned that trading the S&P 500 index can yield yearly profits of up to 30%. Shortly, a follow-up video to this will be released, which will reveal the exact buy and sell signals for just that purpose. Please subscribe to get notified of that as soon as it's out.